everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like everything beauty, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my loves, today I'm just all natural, just a natural glowy makeup look. Today it's really hot here in Newfoundland and I just don't feel the need to put on a whole bunch of foundation onto my face. I'm just really happy with where my skin is too right now with all the good skincare that I've been using. I will be talking about that in an upcoming favorites video, but today we are going to be talking about my eyebrows. They are a problem. I always say that I want my eyebrows to be twins, not sisters, because I have, I think, problem eyebrows. Like this one here has a higher arch, this one not so much, and it kind of slopes down a little bit. So I've been testing out so many eyebrow products over the years, and there's been some that I really fell in love with, but this one product, this one eyebrow product, I am like obsessed with, and I really wanted to share it with you guys today, and I want to show you how I apply the products to my eyebrows. So now that we're zoomed in up close and personal, hello. If you guys have been with me for a long time, you knew I was going to say it. Anyways, you're probably wondering what eyebrow product I am talking about that I'm so obsessed over, and it is by e.l.f. This here is the eyebrow kit, and it's the gel and powder kit. This one here is in medium, so they do come in 3 different shades. From what I've seen at my local Walmart, you have light, medium, and dark. And at the time when I was there, I really wanted to get the light, but they didn't have it. So I was like, okay, I'll pick up the dark one, see how I like it, and it's under $5. So if I don't like it, you know, it's not a lot of money that I'm losing, considering that high-end eyebrow products are really super expensive. So it does come with this tiny brush. So on one end you do have the brush, and then on the other end it's like the little angle part. I was using this, and you know, I find it did the job good, but it's just really super tiny. And of course it does come with a mirror, and here you have the gel product, and here you have the powder product. And as you could tell, I'm after using it quite a bit. And of course, e.l.f. products are cruelty free. So like I said, I do have the medium. Now the other day I was out to Walmart picking up my groceries, and I was like, let's just pop over to the makeup section for one quick second to see if they have the light shade. And guess what? They have it. I was so super excited to see it there. I mean, I do like the medium shade because I do like that contrast where I have such, you know, bleach blonde hair and then the dark eyebrows. I do like that contrast, but I was really curious to see how the blonde shade, the light shade was. Of course, we have this little protective seal. Once again, you have the mirror, and of course the little brush. So once again, you have the gel right here, and you have the powder product right here. So here we go. You can tell the difference between the medium and the light. Of course, the powder in the light shade is very light, and the powder in the medium shade is more taupey. And as for the gel products, of course, the one in the light is a little bit lighter, and this one here in the medium, of course, is a bit of a deeper brown. So over here we have more of a taupey gel, and this one here is more of a brown gel. And the powders, this one here is more light, and this one here is more taupey. I also did go ahead and I picked up the e.l.f. dual-ended eyebrow brush as well. And of course, it says that it is cruelty-free and vegan. So that is great. And this here was, I think it was like $5. It wasn't really expensive because I have been using the little tiny brushes that come in the kits. But I was like, okay, I really need to get a bigger brush. And I do have like a spoolie, but I found that the other spoolie that I did have by e.l.f., like it's for your lashes and brows, so therefore it's a bit bigger. But this spoolie right here is more smaller, more shorter. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go in with the light shade. I will show you after the picture of me wearing the medium shade. Like I said, I really like it. I like the contrast, but I am curious to see if this here makes any contrast to my eyebrows, if it makes any difference. So I'm going to go in with the little e.l.f. brush, and I just dip it into the product, into the powder. I do find that it is very, very pigmented. And I also find that the gel in the medium one is really pigmented. Like at first I really went in with the spoolie because I didn't know if I was going to be able to pick up a lot of product, and I just dug the spoolie in, and when I went in I was like, whoa, that's really super pigmented gel. That's a little bit too much. Let's calm down on that. So that's what I've learned. You know, it's all a learning process really. When you think about it with makeup, it's just all about learning. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more. Hello again. And as you can tell, see, so this is what I'm talking about. This one here is more of a higher arch. This one here goes a little bit rounded, and I don't know why, but anyways, it is what it is in, you know, my brow situation. And I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to do this one here, and I'm just going to slightly fill it in right here at this part of my brow. If you hear some background noise, that's Miss Bella. She's, you know, wanting to come in here and hang out. So what I like to do is, because where I find that this brow here doesn't arch up as much as this one, I go in and I kind of make a fake arch. I'm also going to use the little mirror that's come with this as well, because I'm using my big mirror here in front of me, but when you look into the little mirror, you just see your brow a little bit more up close. I'm also just going to use that spoolie just to brush the powder in a bit more. And also, I'm just putting it out there, I think the reason why I got problem brows is because I used to shave them when I was a teenager. FYI, don't do that. I did it, and look what I ended up with. My brows are just so bad. I used to have such beautiful, natural looking brows until I did that. And I used to fill them in with black mascara. Now we're really getting personal about my brows. And I do find that this powder, even with the medium one, that it's a very light powder. It really does feel like there's nothing going on my brow, but it is, because you can tell the difference, how more fuller this brow looks compared to this brow. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the little spoolie. And what I did with my last spoolie was I actually took it and bent it on an angle, because I found that it picked up the gel more and it was able to get more of a precise application. So I'm just going to take this now, and there we go. Focus, camera. And also what I like to do is, when I'm done filling in my brows with the powder and then the gel, and I kind of look back and I'm like, okay, did I miss any spots? So then I just go in with a little tiny bit of the powder and I just dab it in once, and then I just go ahead and just fill in the part that looks like that I really didn't get, but it just fills in so gorgeous. Now I will have to say, when you do look at this, like, look how light the powder is and the gel, but then look how, you know, it does come off a bit darker once it's applied to the eyebrows. So I absolutely love these products. I'm going to pop up a picture now of me wearing the medium shade. And I love the medium just as much as I love the light one, for the simple fact because with the medium, it gives me such a contrast between my eyebrows and my hair. And I love that fullness that these products give to my eyebrows. And I also like that, like, kind of wispy, feathery look that it gives to the eyebrows as well. I love the powder, I love the gel, and I'm after trying a lot of brow products, like Benefit Goof Proof is one of my favorite. I love the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm after trying a NYX eyebrow pencil. I'm after trying a lot of eyebrow products out there on the market, but out of everything that I've tried, I genuinely am obsessed and in love with these here from e.l.f. I love the eyebrow kits, love the powder, love the gel, and I also tried it without the powder one day where it was just straight up gel, and it did bring a bit of fullness to my eyebrows. And just, you know, if you just want to have kind of a not so intense eyebrow look, you know, you can skip out on the powder. But when you're using that gel, just take your spoolie and just slightly dip into it. Don't really go in heavy-handed because the gel is really, really pigmented. But all in all, they hold my brows in place. I'm telling you, You guys, when you're in Walmart, wherever you are to in the world, wherever sells e.l.f. products, you need to pick these up because you will love them. I love them. They're amazing. I just think they're an all-around great eyebrow product and really super inexpensive as well. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your go-to eyebrow products? Let me know in those comments down below. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay safe, love one another. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.